Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to remove and replace the AC compressor on a Suzuki Grand Vitara 2.4 engine. Stay with us, guys. We're going to show you how to do that. Don't forget to subscribe. We have a new video on our channel every day. Here is the used compressor that we got. A new one is ridiculously expensive for those Suzukis, I think, because they went out of manufacturing pretty much, and so we will recommend getting a new one if you can. Alright guys, first you need a 14mm socket and a ratchet, and okay, let me show you exactly where you need to put it. Okay, right there, and you need to go down now, okay? You need to push down, so you need to go clockwise, and you will loosen the belt, and then you can remove it out of the pulley, and then you can work your way around it, okay? Just, you can pull it out. Alright guys, first we'll need to remove the AC lines, and we'll have two bolts right here with a 10mm socket. Alright guys, and before removing the AC lines, always make sure that you don't have any Freon in the system, okay? Because it's going to blow in your face if you remove the line and you have Freon. And you can get them with just a 10mm wrench if you need to as well. Just whatever is more convenient. Sometimes the ratchet is more. Okay, and that hose is out of there. You can actually pull it to the side, okay? And now we need to do the bottom one, okay? You can see where that bolt is. That's the one for the hose, again with a 10mm wrench, the same procedure. Okay, so that one is pretty tight, you can see. And just take the bolt off all the way. Okay, the bolt is about to come out all the way. Okay, just like that. And now you can pull the hose out. Okay, that's the low pressure side, the other one was the high pressure. And now you can see the AC compressor is down there and the hoses are disconnected. Now we need to remove 3 more bolts to do that repair. Alright guys, now we are gonna show you exactly where the bolts are on the used unit right here. There is one right there, one here and one right there that we will need to remove. Okay, it's really hard to show you exactly where they are on the one on the vehicle, because it's very limited room, but you can see the one, okay, this one underneath my finger right there, that's one of them, and there is one on top and one on the bottom. These ones there with 13mm, or 12mm wrench, okay, and you just get those loose and remove the 3 bolts. Okay, pretty tight. Alright guys, the bottom bolt is actually, okay, right there, it's under that hose for the power steering. So once you get it loose, you can do it by hand, but you need to go and find that thing. It's super limited room for being such a small engine. It's just not designed right to break your finger just to remove one AC compressor. Okay, and you just go ahead and take the whole bolt out. When we do, we'll show you what it looks like. Okay guys, and that's the bolt. Okay, that's what it looks like, pretty long bolt. So that's the one on the bottom. The one on top is actually, oh, don't drop it, it's under the water hose right here. So you have to use a wrench for this one. If you use a ratchet, you won't be able to unless you remove that water hose, because it's very tight fit there. Okay, and you need to remove that bolt as well all the way. Alright guys, and this is the second bolt, okay, right there, the same one, both of them are identical. And now you need to remove the one on the back, that's right here, and you just you need to get this one loose and just remove it as well. Okay, and this is the third bolt, okay. So now what we need to do, we need to pull it to the side, to the back right there. It comes only in a certain angle, okay. You need to just play with it, and we still have the wire that we will remove in a little bit when we pull it out, so we have more room to mess with it. And that thing is ridiculously stuck there. Okay, almost have it out. Okay. And now just need to turn it and show you exactly. Okay, that's where the wire is, right here. And on the wire right here on the back, if you push with your finger, okay, all the way down, it will release it and you can pull it out. Now you need to remove that bracket from the compressor as well. Okay, just like that you can pull it out. And now you need to find your way and just pull the compressor. Okay, and this is the old one, and as you can see, it's messed up inside. Something's wrong there, it's not working, and this is the replacement one, guys. So you just install it the same, I mean in reverse order, the way we took it apart. We also have the video how to recharge the AC system, so you can find it in the playlist or in our videos. Thank you guys for watching, don't forget to subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.